a new month here on EJ. So I did last month. I did a monthly analysis, which I couldn't post here on TradingView. I don't know why. Okay, but it's currently on my YouTube channel. You can go and check it out. The link is in my profile. Okay. Now looking at how last month closed, we can see we're in a buyer's market. Okay, we're in a bullish market, seeing that we're pushing to the upside. For last month, we had an aggressive sell-off. Look at that, an aggressive sell-off. Engulfing one, two, three. 3 months worth of bullish trading was taken over by one selling candle. So this tells you a lot that okay, you know what? There's a lot of selling going on in the market on the JPY side right now. Now breaking it down on the weekly, we can see last week we also had a break below support. Okay, we made new support here. We had high, low, high, and we broke below that higher low area here on the weekly time frame, which more or less confirms to us that okay, you know what, the trend on the weekly has now changed. Though the monthly is still um bullish, the weekly has now turned over to the downside. Now, breaking down on the daily, we can see that the daily as well is still pushing to the downside quite aggressively. As you can see, there hasn't been any significant retracement besides this one candle pullback, one candle pullback, one candle pullback, which if you knew quite well about, you could have capitalized from this one. I mean, my team members in the community had a very nice week last week. They are following this fall, okay, following this fall. So, what would I be looking out for on this pair? Seeing the way the bearish candle closed from here on last week Friday, we can be looking at the 4 hour structure for direction, seeing that the 4 hour are making lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows. Okay, slight lower high here. Okay, and of course lower low. Okay, so we're now at lower low region, clearing below these regions here. So we could see price make a slight retracement on the 4 hourly. So this is what I'll be looking out for: Fibonacci A to B right there. So boom, and then look for that sell off. If the selling is going to continue, because we can't predict the market 100%, we just do technical analysis to try and predict the future. So this is what I'm looking out for on the market for the coming week. But if we break if we break above this region here, 162,500, we could more or less be looking at a continuation to the upside, or for a deeper type retracement, maybe back into previous highs here. But seeing the way the daily closed last week, the weekly and the monthly, okay, I think it's very unlikely that we could see that push to the upside. But the market is always right. So if it does push to the upside, then we'll go in that direction. Now, um, on the 1 hourly, we can see all the PA is just decimating and pushing to the downside. Everything is bearish. Everything. All time frames are bearish here on EJ. So it will be wise to just trade in the direction of the greatest force, which is currently the selling force. So, um, yeah, that's that's it for this pair, guys. I did a video on the psychological part of trading, okay, which I tried posting on trading view, but I don't know what happened. It just didn't work. So I posted the video on my YouTube. You can get the link from my profile here. It basically teaches you how what your psychology um and how your emotions ruin your trading, and how you can go over that and more or less try to use your emotions to actually win, because your emotions are actually signals on their own. Okay, so everything is in the video broken down there. So and again, guys, this technical analysis video I put out is the same thing I more or less send out to people in my community, and they make good money from it. So it's seeing somebody coming to my DM to tell me that I give out false signals. I don't give out signals. I show you what I'm looking at for in the market, and it's up to you and your market knowledge to capitalize on it. It's that simple. So that's just that. And yeah, have a good trading week, guys.